In the burning sands of Arabia, Islam was just beginning. But in Mecca, its followers were hunted, beaten, and left with no refuge. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, told them, "Go to the land of the just king, where no one is wronged." That land was Ethiopia. That king was the Negus of Aksum. Dozens of early Muslims crossed the Red Sea, frightened, exhausted, but carrying their faith. Before the Negus, they begged for protection. The Quraysh envoys demanded their return. The Muslims stood firm. Ja'far ibn Abi Talib recited verses of the Qur'an about Mary and Jesus. The court fell silent. The Negus, a Christian king, wept at the words. He turned to the Quraysh envoys and declared, "No, by God, these people shall never be handed over. Here they are safe." While Arabia raged with persecution, Ethiopia opened its arms. It became the first sanctuary of Islam. Ethiopia, the Christian kingdom that sheltered Muslims when no one else would. The land that proved humanity rises above borders and faith.